unboxing and tool review. So these are jumper cables. I mean, yeah, they're tools too, but these are the 1 gauge 30 foot, and they're Viking brand. They come from Harbor Freight. Here's the item number there, 57802, and yeah, these are pretty daggum good. I like them. I actually lost the set that I had, so, and I was very upset the day that I figured out that I lost them. So wife ended up going to get me another pair. Yay! And yeah, so I recommend these for you guys that have the equipment and heavy duty stuff.